Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how I make my keto blueberry pancakes. Hey guys, I'm Jennifer Bands and I help home cooks make keto meals the whole family will love. Today we're making my blueberry pancakes. There are only a few ingredients and we're using almond flour. So this makes 4 pancakes that it's 2 per person, so enough for 2 people. And you could easily double this recipe if you want. I've got some baking powder and some salt right here, and I'm going to mix that into my almond flour. This is half a cup of almond flour, and so each person will get about 1/4 cup of almond flour. So it's not too heavy on the carbs or the calories. We've got some sweetener here. I like to use Keto, so I'm going to mix that in. Mixing my dry first, and now I'm going to add in the wet. I've got melted butter, and I've got 2 beaten eggs, and that's it for my basic pancake recipe. Okay, I've got my blueberries here. I'm going to set them aside. I'm not going to fold them into the pancake batter. I want to add them to each individual pancake because we are rationing our blueberries. Okay, we've got our batter here, our blueberries. I've got a skillet over medium heat, and then I sprayed it really good with cooking spray. I've got a 1/4 cup measuring scoop. You could also just use a 1/4 cup measure, but I like to use the scoop. So I'm gonna scoop out 1 scoop of batter, and I'm gonna make 2 pancakes at a time. And now we're gonna put 5 blueberries inside of each pancake. I know it's not a lot, but this is keto, so if you want blueberry pancakes, this is what you get. Okay, we've got our last blueberry pancake ready to flip. So if you're like me and you're impatient and you're like, when are these pancakes gonna be done? I have no idea when they're finished. You can just tap the top, and if it springs back, if your finger springs back, they're ready. So this one's ready. On our stack it goes. And oops, that's a beautiful stack of pancakes right there. All right, now we can top them with some sugar-free syrup. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. Let's cut into them so you can see how delicious. Oh, look at that blueberry right there. Oh, those are perfect and fluffy. Oh my gosh, amazing. Guys, check out my other breakfast recipes in this playlist right here, and I will see you guys later. Bye.